Hi, we're in front of the San Juan plan by D.R. Horton Homes. This home is 2,452 square feet. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath. Let's go take a look. So you can see you have a nice open living, Eden Island with granite countertops. It's open to the living and dining areas. This home has a bedroom and a full bath down. So you have a nice little full bedroom up front here. Full bathroom. We kind of refer to it as an in-law suite. And then you've got a nice large laundry room and a coat closet with storage under the stairs. You come up into a roomy game room loft area. The primary bedroom has a ton of space and plenty of room for a king-size bed. The ensuite bath features a raised double vanity, 5-foot walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. You have a full bath right outside the game room area and 2 full bedrooms on the opposite side of the game room, giving good separation between the bedrooms and the primary bedroom. Features a covered patio in the backyard. These lots, very roomy here. So if you'd like more information about this home or any other home, please contact me, John Olmsted, at 505-999-0930. That's 505-999-0930. Thanks and have a good day.